Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video we will see how to set custom bullet style for our unordered list. We know that unordered list uses bullets and ordered list uses numbers. Using list style image, so that's the CSS style. Using that CSS style, we can provide a custom bullet style for our unordered list. In this video, we will create a 15x15 image, and the image looks like this, and use it as a bullet for our list item. This property accepts value as URL. We used image multiple times, and this time also we are using image, but with the property list style image. So whenever a property asks for an image, we can use the URL and provide path for our local image or the image from the internet. Now let's go to the demo. Here you can see we created custom list bullet.html, and the content is at this moment empty, and we've opened that here in the browser, and in the auto refresher plus we will stop it and keep seconds as 3 seconds, and we will start it so that it will keep on refreshing this specific page. Now this is our folder location, right? CSS folder. Inside that images. Now let's pick any file and reveal in File Explorer so that it will open the File Explorer, and inside the images folder we will copy this path. We can save our paintbrush image. So here if you see, it's a 16x16 image, and we have drafted it like this, right? That's our image, and if you want, you can create your own image. Here we are using 16x16. That means width of this image is 16 and height is 16. Using this paintbrush tool, we just drawn an image, and we will save this to the clipboard location. So this is our clipboard location, right? We will save this as custom bullet, custom B, or we will fully name it custom bullet.png. We'll copy this name also in the clipboard. So now we saved this to our images location, and you can see that here custom bullet, and here is the file. This is our custom bullet. Alright, now we will close this left side pane and place some initial content for our list item. Save the content, and you can see this is the default bullet. We will create a bigger font for our UL as well as H3. Right, here we specified 2 tag UL, so that means this one, and H3 tag for this custom bullet. For both we are applying a 34 pixel font size. We accept the default font, but we just increase the font size, and as you see, now we have a bigger list item, and it's time to apply our image. So if you see, the image is under the images folder. This is CSS folder, right? CSS folder contains all HTML file. Inside that we have a subfolder called image. Images contains the custom bullet.png. Now in our style, we'll set list style image URL images folder. Inside that custom bullet.png, right? Now we will save this content, and if you see, now the bullet style got changed to our custom bullet. So if you add new item, that will also appear with our custom bullet style. Alright, item 7. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.